To recover a deleted Wi-Fi passwords on any PC is pretty simple. We first have to navigate to the start menu and tap on it. Then with this selected, we're going to proceed to the search and type CMD. Among the list of options here, make sure to select on the command prompt by right clicking on it and proceed to tap on run as administrator. Then continue to tap on yes. Inside the command prompt, we're going to initiate these lines of commands. And the first is 𝗕cie 𝗵𝗺𝗺𝗃𝗺 and hit enter. And this will pull out all the Wi-Fi networks that we've ever connected in the past. So let's say, for instance, if I want to see the Wi-Fi connection for the UN Central MOX, all I have to do is to proceed to type this command 𝗕cie 𝗵𝗺𝗺𝗃𝗺𝗃𝗺, and this time I'm going to make sure to type name equal to the quotation sign. Then I will enter the Wi-Fi network that I want to see its password. In this case is UN Central MOX. Then close the quotation and with that key equal to clear, and then hit enter. And then quickly under security settings, when we locate the key content, beside it we have the Wi-Fi password for this network. And this is how you can see your Wi-Fi password if you've forgotten it, and it can be done on any PC of your choice. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.